Hi everybody, this is a follow-up on a short that I put out that seemed to have gotten a lot of attention more on Instagram and Facebook, but I wanted to put this out for everybody. I was going through some of my books, some of my literature that I have on welding, and I didn't realize I had this stuff, but I came across this, which is an arc welded projects book, and it's from the James F. Lincoln Arc Welding Foundation. Now, this is volume 5. Looked online, there are actually 5 separate volumes, obviously this one being the 5th one, and they all have different projects that have been submitted to Lincoln by students of welding schools. They submit them, there's a bunch submitted, Lincoln picks a bunch and puts them in a publication for people to work on. So I thought this was a really interesting opportunity since this channel is all about welding at home and do it yourself and, you know, from your garage, making things work and so on and so forth, that this would be a really good opportunity to go through this book and see what projects are doable in a small garage like what I have. Plus there's a couple things in here that I saw that I'd really like to build, but I want to leave it up to you guys, so I'm going to leave a poll on all my social media pages, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and I want you guys to vote which projects you want to see me do. Now I'm going to pick a couple out of each category. So I'm going to go through the book while I'm on here. I'm not going to go into much detail, but I am going to go through the book, show exactly what they're explaining, some of the projects that are available, and so on. So there's a couple different projects, and they're broken up into sections. We have trailers, home and recreational projects, shop projects, agriculture projects, and rainy day projects. Of course, because of the glare on the screen, it is kind of hard for you to see. But I'm going to skip the trailer project for now. I've already done a trailer project of sorts. If they get popular and this is stuff that you guys want to see, maybe we'll revisit that. But I'll go right over to home and recreational projects, chapter 55. And you can see as I'm going through, they have plans for everything. Some of them more detailed than others. I guess it's depend on what's submitted to Lincoln Electric. Lincoln Electric does make a note in the beginning that says that they're not responsible if these are inaccurate. But home and recreation. So, I'm trying to get rid of that glare. There we go. Of the home and recreation, these are some of the ones that they have in this one. Patio furniture, fire pit, pitching screen, pot rack, sauna stove. You can read all the rest. Smoker, 24-foot aluminum plate boat. I'm not going to add that. So let's start simple. Let's go with the coffee table, page 90. So coffee table, they give you a bill of materials of what you need to order. It tells you how many, tells you how much. Plywood for the top, primer paint, wood stain, all that fun stuff. Pictures. Has a little diagram down here. And it gives you step-by-step instructions to read as you go. It's a pretty simple project. So there's one. So now we'll go to shop projects. Down here in shop projects, there's tool bench and storage, tire changer, English wheel, hydraulic press, snowmobile lift, motorcycle lift, all that stuff. This stuff looks like something I personally would be more interested in. But in all honesty, I could do just about all of these. Be kind of cool. So I'll definitely probably pick 2 out of these to add. We'll go to tool bench, and then we'll go to the motorcycle lift. So tool bench, there's a lot of parts to that. Here's the cut sheets. Here's the bill of materials. It's kind of a black and white picture of about what it's going to look like. Step-by-step instructions. It even has welding. It even has a welding procedure right here. That's kind of nice. And then it gives you all the assembly instructions and guidelines and cut sheets. And how everything goes together. Kind of cool. So let's go over to the motorcycle lift. Here we go. This is something I definitely need. There's another one I'll add that I'll vote on. Again, bill of materials, kind of large. This one gives you steps to everything, cut sheets, step-by-step instructions. Bunch of pictures on how things lay out. Now here's where it gets interesting. This is where you guys can learn how to read blueprints. For some of you that are in welding school and want to learn how to read blueprints and understand welding symbols, this would be a good project to vote on for me to do, and I can show you exactly what all these symbols and all these dimensions and stuff mean. Now the other one that I found interesting is agriculture. Agriculture, they actually have you building, there's some projects here, they have a dammer, they have a combine trailer, grain carts, landscaping trailer, a 20-foot tilling pack, and a push-pull cart. We'll go to the push-pull cart. Push-pull cart can be useful for a lot of things. There's that push-pull cart there. Bill of materials. Remember, this was all by high schoolers. For example, the author was Scott Tim. His instructor was Dan Saunders of Monroe High School in Monroe, Wisconsin. So that's pretty cool that they add all that. This one gives you a bill of materials again. This is a little simpler. Again, drawings. It looks like this was done in AutoCAD. Again, procedures, step-by-step instructions, and all these diagrams and whatnot. Last one is rainy day projects. I assume the rainy day projects means smaller projects because all these projects are kind of small. Backyard fire pit, aluminum awnings, track sleds, pond rake, wind chime, so on. So pick out of that one. Let's go with the fire pit. So this one's by Dan Fearson. The instructor was Nicholas Rigetz. School William D. Ford Votech Center in Westland, Michigan. Small bill of materials, a short project. Pretty short, easy project. Here's some drawings here. Step-by-step instructions. This looks like a one-pager. Weld symbols again. Yeah, that's it. Pretty simple. Now, if you want to get this book, I'll leave a link in the description below so you can get your own copy. They're about $15 on Lincoln Electric's website for this whole book. Again, there's 5 different volumes. No, I am not affiliate. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. However, Lincoln Electric, if you want to chime in and help me out on some of these, feel free. But anyways, I'm going to put my poll up. If you guys saw some others that you would like me to do others, feel free to leave a comment down or add your own option, depending on if you have that option. But thanks for watching. I hope to hear your responses soon. Please go on YouTube, the YouTube community post and vote. Facebook on my page, Stickman Fabrication. Instagram, stick_man_vab. I'll have a poll up there as well. And please vote. I want to see what you guys have to say about this. I think this is a really cool opportunity for people to learn to weld at home. I also think it's a really cool opportunity for me to show you guys how to do some of these projects from home in a garage with simple tools. Because like I said, I don't have a big shop and I kind of want to keep it that way. Might need more space though. Also, if you want to help out the channel so it makes it easier for me to do these projects, yeswelder.com, any of their machines, any of their equipment, any of the consumables, anything like that, use my code StickmanFab23. You can get 10% off of anything on the store. Also, weldmetalsonline.com. Get on their link. I'll leave all these links in the description below. I'll leave my coupon codes in the description below for weldmetalsonline.com. The code is StickmanFab24, and you get 10% off of anything on the store there. And then also we have the Western Welder gear. Use the coupon code StickmanFab, and you can get 15% off for that. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please go on and vote. I look forward to you guys' response. I'll see you later.